Picaso is a very unique hospital. The kind of cases we have, the technology we have, is something which is not really available anywhere in the region, probably in Asia. And I think our philosophy also is how do we create a network to try and make this more meaningful for everybody. So I think this immersion is something which syncs with our philosophy of how Picaso wants to be seen, because the kind of expertise we have is very unique.
The immersion program is one of the education programs that we offer to the customer, and kind of like one-to-one attachment program. So we want to be educating this kind of people skill and also practical session as a practitioner and also healthcare gift provider. So I'm very much appreciate that Picaso Hospital taking this partnership with us and the willingness to share their inside-out knowledge and experience to our delegates.
Picaso Hospital မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ပို့ပြီးတော့အဆင့်မြင့်တဲ့နီလန်းတွေ protocol တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့ဒီလူနာတွေကိုပြုစုဆောင်ရှောက်ဖို့အတွက်စက်ပစ္စည်းတွေနီလန်းတွေရှိတာကြောင့်မလို့ပို့ပြီးတော့လေ့လာခြင်းတဲ့အတွက်ဒါရောက်ပြီးတော့မှလာရောက်တာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
I believe the program like this can help strengthen collaboration and knowledge exchange among the healthcare professions, because radiology is a constantly evolving field and we radiologists must stay updated with advanced techniques and diagnostic standards all the time.
And I think it's also an opportunity for us to inculcate a network of references so that people understand what we offer is so unique that if they really want the kind of care that is required for their patients, especially complex cases, then this is the place to come.